Hi guys, today I will be reacting, singing Ding Ding Dong Hide and Seek right here. Alright. Ding Dong Hide and Seek. Alright. Well, that is a weird ad. No. Go back.
Now that's a cute baby. Kind of looks like a spider monkey. You can hardly tell that's a toupee from this angle.
You don't have to be free with your thoughts just because you get...
Alright. Here we go. This is going to be a bit hard. I know you can hear me. Open up the door. I only want to play a little ding dong. You can't keep me waiting. It's already too late for you to try and run away. I see you through the window. Our eyes are locked together. I can sense your horror. Though I'd like to see it closer. Ding dong, here I come to find you. Hurry up and run. Let's play a little game and ding dong, where is it you gone to? Do you think you won? Our game of hide and seek has just begun. I hear your footsteps thumping loudly in the hallways. I can hear your sharp breaths. You're not very good at hiding. Just wait, you can't hide from me. 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 Knock, knock, I am at your door now. I am coming in. No need for me to ask permission. Knock, knock, I'm inside your room now. Where is it you hid? Our game of hide and seek's about to end. I'm coming closer, looking underneath your bed, but you're not here. I wonder, could you be inside the closet? Ding dong, looks like I knew. Ding dong, you were hiding here. Now you're it. Ding dong, looks like I knew, dear. Now you're it. Ding dong, looks like I have won. Now you're it. Ding dong, pay the consequence. Ding dong, looks like I have won. Now you're it. Ding dong, pay the consequence. Okay, so I'm guessing that's the end of the song? Yep, that's the end of the song. Okay, so that was pretty fun, actually. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. No. Hit that subscribe button. Smack that thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.